It is that time again, once every 3 months when I film a video. I know, I'm a horrible excuse for a content creator. I had a pretty rough couple months, okay? I'll have to tell you all about what it's like to have a swab up your nose, if you haven't been there already. Anyway, today we're going to talk about the Causebox, because I got mine and I haven't dug through it yet. So we're going to do that now, and that's what this video is going to be. Oh, I'm sorry. I did not properly introduce myself. What's going on, YouTube? I am HotMessNessMua, otherwise known as Vanessa, and today we're going to talk about the Causebox. This is the fall box. So this is the place in the video where I realize I look ridiculous. Okay, I just want to let you guys know that I obviously already filmed the video, and half of my head is cut off, but I haven't had a chance to do my roots in like months, so I'm doing you a favor. I'm sorry, this is what happens when you haven't filmed in a really long time. I'm sorry. I hope it's not too much for you guys to have to watch the video like that, so sorry. I'll do better next time, I hope. By the way, if you would decide that you like this box, the contents in the box, and you too want to subscribe, they're currently doing a thing where if you use my link, which I'm going to leave down below, you and me, we both get a free PMD microdermabrasion tool, which is pretty darn cool. So I'm going to leave that down below. I don't know how long it lasts. I emailed them. I don't know. Onto the box. Oh, look, it's the ad that I just said. Free PMD microderm when you refer a friend. One for me, one for you. Let's both get one. No, thank you.
What do you want to play?
Nothing. No, stop it. Sorry. I believe Alexa is talking to me. Anyway, so there's either a robe or a bath towel in here. Oh, Lord. You know what? I forgot. Hold on. I'll be back. It's already a mess. Hold on. All right. I got the little book. And here is the booklet that comes with the Causebox. If you don't know what Causebox is, it is a subscription box that you get every 3 months. So I like that. It's about 50 some odd dollars. People have affiliate codes that you can use and get money off. I am not one of those people. It is a environmentally friendly box. It has sustainable items in it, and it also, you know, has some woman-owned brands things in it. If you pay for the whole year, you get to pick your items. If you don't, then some things are a surprise. So I don't pay for the year. I pay for each month. Okay, so here's the inside of my box. And it looks like I got the charcoal something. All right, first up, I got the Robe. Okay, this is a robe. Upon first impression, I don't feel the cozy, but I'm gonna wash it. So I got the Bathin Robe from Bathin Waffle Robe Charcoal, $90 value, okay? I don't know how I feel about the length, like either be short or long. Anyway, okay, moving right along. This is Tea's glass tumbler. Oh, I think it's one of those things that you can put like things in it, like, you know, fruit. I was gonna say fruit and but people don't put their things. Okay, so, oh, that's very, look at that. Like it's got a little thingy and what is it for? Okay. Look, oh, cute. It's got the little infuser inside. So, you know, you can have loose leaf tea on the road, and it's got a cover. I like this. I always worry about glass things. I know glass is actually better for the environment than plastic. Not as much plastic actually gets recycled as we think. So glass is actually a better option, but it's more expensive, and I always worry I'm gonna break it. So not to say that this thing is gonna keep it from breaking, but the insulation, it's just nice. This is really nice. So obviously I got the Tea's Tea. It's a 3-in-1 tea and fruit tumbler. And convenient and easy way to brew, $39 value. The other option is here. Artisan Direct Milky Way Lantern. Oh, it's so cute. I want that. Okay, I know how I am. I'll end up buying it or something. So yeah, I don't drink a lot of tea. I'm a coffee person, but I do like the idea of the fruit infused water. So maybe this will encourage more of that in my life. What is this? Volum Love Scrub 3-in-1 hyaluronic acid, red tea and seaweed microderm exfoliator. Let's see. Glycerin, glycol water, red tea. That sounds nice. So I got the Volum Love Scrub. It's a $56 value. That is a pricey little love scrub. The other option was a de-stress muscle gel or a rose gold crisscross cuff. I think if I was going to pick, I would have done muscle gel or cuff, but something fun to put aside. I need to take a break on my exfoliating. I did a couple too many masks, and I have some irritation around my nose. I know you didn't ask, but I told you anyway. Sorry. All right. Oh, organic basil, Chef Garden Grow. All right, my only thing with these is there's never any drainage, so they don't work. Yeah, I have a problem with this. Okay, so you get the pods and the seeds, and I bought a set like this at Walgreens for $10, and I ended up having to do separate grow containers in the plastic so that way you have drainage, or you drill a hole in this. You can't not drain your stuff. So that kind of is annoying, but that's okay. I'll just put a piece of plastic in there. I have some basil, but I've never grown it from seed. I'm not very successful with seeds, but maybe this one will be different. This is the Buzzy Seeds Basil Grow Kit. Herb Garden 101, freshen up margarita pizza or mix up your go-to salad greens with some homegrown basil. I do have basil in the front yard, but it's not from seed. Or you could have gotten facial rounds, reusable facial rounds. That's what I would have picked, but that's okay. It'll give me another thing on my wish list that I'll want to buy later on. Ooh, here's a serum. Serum, very clearly for me to see so I don't confuse it with something else. It is a face brightening serum. Dark spot remover. What's in here? Blackcurrant carrot. Carrot's actually really good, like antioxidant. Like if you are afraid to use retinol, carrot seed oil is actually really good for that. That's not on this list, so maybe everybody got that? Oh yeah, okay, it's on the bottom. Everybody gets the Way of Will Brightening Face Serum, a $37.50 value, made with vitamins A and C. And now we're on to the last on our list. A bamboo serve set. How cute is that? I don't use a lot of stuff like this, but I am cooking a lot more since pandemic, and also the man has gone on to the keto diet, so we made a deal. I'll cook your meals, but you have to stick to the diet. So I'm cooking more. So maybe I will find some use for this. This is from Core Bamboo. Set and prep and use this set and it'll make you happy. Renewable resources in the world, bamboo, $35 value. So then, on the little page, I like to read these because these are people that contribute to creating the boxes, the people that work within the company, and it's nice to see their takes on things. So it tells you about each item, a recipe in the back, just really cool things. So then you also get some coupon codes through the places. So say I wanted to go in and buy the little wipey things that I didn't get in my kit, I can get 25% off and you have a special code. So it's nice. It's cool. We like it. So some of the things are pricey compared to, you know, the Walmart shopper. Feel like I've moved up in the world when I hit the Target. But always fun, interesting things. And don't get me wrong, I love makeup. Makeup has always been my thing, but I've never been so keen on makeup in a box. I don't know why. I'm just a little more picky. But this kind of stuff, I'm like, how can I use it? How can I incorporate it? Well, I love it. And so far, I've really enjoyed everything. If you would like to see a rundown of how I felt about some of the things from the last box, let me know. I liked them all enough that I'm continuing this subscription, and I'm not like a subscription junkie. This is my only subscription at the time. And I liked it so much that I ordered things from the last one in the add-on marketplace. So I will be doing a video showing you my add-on marketplace haul, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Again, if you're interested in this box, my code's down below. Get yourself a free PMD tool up to 10 people. Leave a comment down below if you end up doing it. And it's great to see you guys again. Sorry if the lighting's funky. I'm sitting on my floor and I only have a ring light. So this is pandemic life now for me. I hope you guys are doing well, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye. If you've made it this far, then subscribe. And here's more videos you can watch over here or over here or over here. Click them. Click them all.